Today we are going to look at solving simultaneous equation, and we are going to use the substitution method. So how do we go about this? We first of all take one of the equations. For example, we have two equations, so I can take the first one and let me rewrite it down here. X plus 4y equals 13, and I can rearrange this equation like this. X equals, I take the 4y on the other side, so I have 13 minus 4y. So remember, when you take this to this other side, because it was plus, it becomes minus when it goes to the other side of the equal sign. Okay, now that we have it like this, notice we've equated x and said x is everything here on this other side. Okay, that's very important, because you are going to use this information to evaluate the next equation. So now at this point I can take now my second equation. Okay, my second equation is 3x minus 3y equals 9. And notice, because we had equated x as equal to 13 minus 4y, where we have x in this second equation, we can put this value there, right? And that is what we call substitution. It's like we are taking the value of x from what we got here and substituting it in our second equation where we have x. And we do it like this. So this is 3. So where we have x, we put this there. So I'll put it inside the bracket like this, 13 minus 4y, and then the rest of the equation, 3y equals 9. Okay, and now let's open the bracket. So 3 times 13 gives us 39. 3 times negative 4y gives us negative 12y, and then the rest of the equation, 3y equals 9. Okay, now let's bring like terms together. So here we have 39 minus 15y equals 9. Okay, so 39 minus 15y equals 9. Now we can take negative 15y to this other side, and we take 9 to this other side like this, and it becomes 39. 9 was plus or addition, so when it comes to this other side of equal sign, it becomes minus 9 equals, we take negative 15 to the other side. In this case, it becomes positive 15, because negative, when it goes to the other side of the equal sign, it becomes positive. So we have positive 15 like that. Okay, now 39 minus 9 gives us 30 equals 15y. Okay, so we can divide both sides by 15 to get the value of y. Okay, so by 15 1 by 15 2, so the value of y equals 15. Sorry, the value of y equals 2. Okay, great. Now from this point, we can take now the value of y. We use one of the equation. I can use the second equation this time, or I can also use the first one, but let me use the second equation. So the second equation is 3x minus 3y equals 9. So where we have y, we put 2, right? So this becomes 3x minus 3 into bracket 2 equals 9. and this evaluates to 3x minus 6 equals 9. Okay, so we take like terms on one side. So I take negative 6 on this other side, becomes positive 6. So we have 3x equals 9 plus 6. This gives us 3x equals 15 by 3 by 3. We find that x equals 5. And we found our two values of x and y. So we know x is 5, and as we got earlier, y is 2. Okay, and that's how you solve a simultaneous equation using substitution method. So guys, there is more content like this on your way, so continue subscribing, like the videos, share with your friends, so that we can grow together as a community. So thank you. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.